In Tangoscale, we're currently testing out our new form of videos on YouTube. That is with these simple animations that helps conveying our complex messages and narratives in simple, digestible videos. By the end of this video, you'll learn how we go about scripting, drawing, and editing the entire video till it's uploaded, along with all the equipment and communication chain we follow, so you can get some idea and improvise it in your business how you like. To begin with, I can compile a document on Google Docs under a broad idea that I have, for example, leadership. I prepare a list of questions as if I'm taking an interview of myself, and then answer them one by one with all honesty and whatever insights or advice I could provide. The document then is shared with Akash, the person behind the YouTube videos. His job is to go through the document and prepares a 4 to 5 minute script through it. After that, using 11 labs and my voice sample, an AI synthesized voice is created.
Stop the cap.
An AI synthesized voice is created. Last step, using Audacity, a free program, the voice is enhanced to make it more clear. The next important thing is the art style. For this, you can experiment along and take inspiration from Pinterest or other animations to see what suits you the best. In Tangoscale, as of now, we go with this kind of art style, plain bright backgrounds and bean-shaped characters. This art style is unique, simple and efficient. To distinguish one bean from another, generally skin color or hairstyle is altered along with its voiceover if necessary.
For example, this is AI synthesized Kaleo.
Well, I'm out, man.
The program we use to draw is Clip Studio Paint X, which isn't free. The license would cost you around $237 US, and the drawing tablet used is one by Wacom, which costs just above $100. As per, the script drawings are made and saved in a folder called Sequence, and then one by one imported on the editing software Premiere Pro.
Sir, can I help you out with anything in your household, like maybe mowing your lawn or something?
Kid, would you like to get some beating?
Adobe Premiere Pro is also not free. It approximately costs $60 USD a month and comes with the complete Adobe Creative Cloud that includes Photoshop, After Effects, Illustrator, etc. The audio saved in the first step is now one by one placed in a chronological order in Premiere Pro, and then the drawings made in step 2 are also placed in the timeline one by one as per the pacing. Generally, in a 4 to 5 minute video, there are more than 100 individual drawings that are made, each made and saved separately in a PNG file one by one. And after you're done placing all the drawings and stock images required, this is what the timeline looks like. To give finishing touch, background music, sound effects are added, special effects where necessary, and then the entire video is rendered and uploaded on a drive. Then Akash notifies me about the video completion. I go through the video and provide him feedback, though VAM recording.
This part, it would be really nice if we, rather than having the links, I don't know, it might works, to be honest. I don't know. Maybe if you can have bam, 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 the logos, bam, 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 something. That would be cool. If not, khalas, it works.
Feedback is then noted by Akash and necessary adjustments are won in the video. To summarize, this flowchart is the process we currently follow for our YouTube videos. Hope this video was insightful to you. Our goal with these YouTube videos is to capture our journey at Tangoscale and share our experiences and insights through this. If there's any feedback for us, would love to know in the comments down below. Also go check out the leadership video we made to see how the final product looks like.